Hey guys, welcome back to PSI. My name is Dan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on a braided loom kit onto your harness. The reason you guys might want to choose the braided loom kit is the nicer aesthetic look. If you're going to be opening up your car and stuff, it really does look a lot nicer and gives the harness a thinner profile to make it easier to kind of route through a bunch of stuff. So it is a very good kit to have, and if you're a DIYer, this is the kit for you. In the kit, we're going to give you 1/8 inch braid. 1/8 inch braid is really good for if you're doing like 1, 2 wires, 3 wires, 4. After that, I kind of like to go up to my 1/4 inch loom. The 1/4 inch loom is really good for like upwards 5, 7 wires. The rest of it, you're pretty much going to be doing the 1/2 inch loom. This is going to be for like your PCM connectors going through and all that kind of stuff. You'll be doing that with this. And as always, for the big fat trunk, we got the 1 inch loom for you. That should be all the loom you need. We are like IKEA. We gave you a little bit extra. So if you snip something a little short or a little long and you want to redo it, we got that for you as well. Also, we include 2 kinds of tapes in our kit. We include my favorite, the 33 plus tape. I like to use this on our braided loom kits. I think it just does a great job. We also give you guys self-adhesive stretch tape. Now to use this, really simple. You just pull the length you need, you cut it, you peel off the plastic backing, and you wrap hard, and it will self-adhesive to it. We give you 2 rolls of that tape too. That should be more than enough you guys need. I always have tape left over and some loom left over. You guys probably will too. It's a really good thing that, you know, we're not making it so that it's short on you. We're making sure that, you know, if your harness is a little bit longer, you had to extend something, we got you covered on loom, so don't worry about that. And next thing we're going to be talking about is all the tools you're going to need to be doing a loom kit. You guys are going to love this. This is the only tool we're going to need today. It's a pair of scissors. You can use a hot knife, but to be honest with you, when I cut with scissors and we're going to tape the ends, you're never going to really need that hot knife. But if that's what you'd like to do, you could do that too. All right, step 1, guys. First thing you want to do is lay out your harness. If you have a corrugated loom harness, of course, take all the corrugated loom off first. If you have a non-loomed harness, you're ahead of the game. So we're going to lay our whole harness down. We're going to identify all the different branches. We want to find the ones with less than 4 wires, maybe 5. I'm going to use the 1/8 inch loom for that. I'm going to do all those pieces at once. After that, then I'm going to go through all the next biggest size pieces, probably like 5 to 7 wires, somewhere in that ballpark. We're going to be using the 1/4 inch. So I'm going to do all them. So that way I'm overlapping and I'm not doubling up my work. Then as we get to the bigger pieces, we're going to go with our 1/2, and then of course the trunk is going to be the last piece with the 1/4. When you are putting on loom, you're going to want to pull the piece you need. You're going to cut it to length and go just a hair longer. Reason being is what we do at the ends is you're going to come in here and you're going to cut this, and when you push it out on the ends and go to the main trunk, you'll be able to what we do call a T-out. All that means is that we're going to wrap tape around the loom of the trunk that will make it look like a whole solid piece. And of course, you guys are seeing that on video right now. And we just keep going that way. That's called our T-out method. So once you cut everything and you have your teed out to the main part, but now you have the connector here with your loom, we're going to now tape this on here. Now this is when, if you use a hot knife, you're going to have no frays. If you don't, we use a scissor like we do, you're going to have a little bit of fraying, but once you put that tape on, you'll never see it, so it'll be okay. All we do is you wrap a piece of tape around the loom and the wires, and it'll secure itself that way. Again, you could use either or for any of the taping, or 2 rolls of stretch tape we give you, or, as I like to say, my 33 tape, because I like the 33 tape myself. Personal preference, though. Okay, so now in this part of the video, you can see that we are doing the injector branch of our harness. Now, when you're doing that with the injectors, we just cut 1 straight cut, and the injector wire will be able to go through the loom. Where on the other parts, as you can see in the video, where like the ground loops are and stuff like that, you're going to want to cut a V channel because they're a little bit thicker branches, and you'll be able to tape around them, and it'll give you a nice teed out section there, and it'll give the harness a very professional, sleek look, as well as making sure that you can still tell what injector numbers you have by the color of wires. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the page. I hope it helped you get wired up and fired up. As always, guys, I'd like to just say thank you to everyone who subscribed, liked, and commented lately. It means a lot to us, and we're going to keep pumping out the content. We want to LS swap the world, and we can only do it with your help. So don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment, and let us know what you'd like to see next, and we'll see you on the flip side.